Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we will make Milo Crispy Spring Rolls. The ingredients are quite easy, namely spring rolls and Milo powder. If you want to add other ingredients to tasty, okay? So let's start how to make it now.
I met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in the crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.